Hi friends, good morning. Today let us see how to find a word with a given rank. In the previous session, we find the rank of a given word. So, word is given and we found the rank. In today's session, rank will be given and we have to find the word. So let us see 3-4 examples. See, if the letters B-E-L-O, are permuted in all possible ways and then arranged in dictionary order, what will be the 10th word? See, here the rank is given and we have to find the 10th word in those permutations, in those arrangements. Okay friends, see, let us write the given letters in the ascending order, that is in alphabetical order. E comes first, next to O comes, next L comes, next to O comes, next V comes. Right friends? First you have to write the given letters in the alphabetical order. Now let us see how many words start with E. How many words start with E? So if E is placed in the first place, the remaining three letters can be filled by in these three blanks in 3 factorial ways. That is 6 ways. After E, then the turn of L comes. If we do as we did in the case of E, again there will be six words begin with L. 6 plus 6 it becomes 12. But we want the 10th word. So let us take the second word also. Let us take the second letter also. See, after L, what is the next small? L is taken in the first place. So the second letter is E. So how many words begin with LE? There will be 2 factorial, that is equal to 2. After LE, the next order is O. So LO. See, after putting LO in the first 2 places, 2 letters EO all remained. So if we put them in the dictionary order, LO EV is one word, LOVE is the next word. So 6 plus 2 8, this is 1, this is 1. So the 10th word, or 6 plus 4, 10th word is love. LOVE, love is the 10th word. Okay friends, I have taken this small example in the beginning. so that you can easily understand. Given letters are VELO, and we have put them in the dictionary order ELOV. So how many words begin with E? 3 factorial, that is 6. The next bigger letter is L. How many words start with L? Again another 3 factorial 6. Then 6 plus 6, 12. Exceeds our required rank 10. We require 10th rank. So we have taken the second letter also. We have to take the second letter also. So first two letters are fixed LE. First two letters are fixed LE. And the next two letters can be filled in, next two blanks can be filled in the remaining with V and the O and V in 2 factorial ways, that is 2 ways. LE is over. LE is over. Next we take LO. Next we take LO. LO, see, if we take L and O, then E and V are remaining. So LO EV is one word, that becomes a 9th word, and LO VE is the 10th word. So we require the 10th word. So the 10th word is love. Okay friends, let us see the next problem. What is the 50th word? What is the 50th word? We want the 50th word. If the word ranked is arranged in a dictionary order, see, the given word is ranked. The given word is ranked. The letters of the word ranked are arranged in all possible ways. Actually, all these are 6 different letters. We will get 6 factorial, that is 720 arrangements we get. Out of these 720 arrangements, 6 factorial arrangements, what is the 50th word? What is the 50th word? Okay friends, first of all, what we have to do? We have to arrange the given letters in the alphabetical order. Say the smallest is A, next D, next E, A, D, E, K, N, R, K, N, R, A, D, E, A, D, E, K, N, R. This is the ascending order. First thing we have to do this. We want 50th word. We want 50th word. See, starting with A, if we start with A, 5 letters are there, 5 blanks will be there. 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial, that is 120 ways. So we have to take the second letter also. See, if we take only one letter in the first place and arrange the remaining 5 letters, how many arrangements you are getting? 5 factorial, 120 arrangements you are getting. But we want only the 50th word. So we have to take 2 letters. So first 2 places are fixed with AD. First 2 letters are fixed with AD. Then the remaining 4 letters can be filled in the given 4 blanks in 4 factorial ways. That is 24. So the permutations which begin with AD are over. That is 24. The next term after AD, what will be after D? What is there in the order? E. So AE. Again we will have 4 factorial permutations begin with AE. So again 4 factorial, that is 24. So AD is over, AE is over. Next, what is the order, friends? DE over, AD over, AE over. Next order is AK. If we write all the permutations begin with AK, again we get another 24. The total number of permutations will become 72. But we want only 50th rank. So what is the next letter after AK? D. AK are fixed in the first two places, and third place is fixed with D. If we fix the third place with D, again we get 6. That is 24 plus 24, 48 plus 6, 54. But we want only 50th one. So we have to fill the next letter also. AK, D, AK, D. D. So here how many friends? 48. After filling the AK, D, the last two blanks can be filled with NR. So small letter is N, NR is one arrangement, RN is another arrangement. So AK, DE, NR is 49th arrangement. AK, DE, NR is the 49th arrangement, and our arrangement is the next arrangement is our AK, DE, RN. RN is the 50th arrangement. AK, DE, RN is the 50th arrangement. Clear friends? So first we started with AD. How many arrangements are there with the beginning of AD? 4 factorial. Again, in the same way, with the beginning with AE, we will have another 4 factorial. And we can't take all the permutations begin with AK, because it becomes the number 24, 72. It exceeds 50. So we have taken the third letter also. AKD. So then 3 blanks, 3 factorial, 6, 48 plus 6, it becomes 54. So we have to take the fourth letter also, AKDE. So we have to permute the last two letters only. AKDE, NR is 49th one, RN is the 50th one. So we want 50th one. AKDE, RN is the 50th arrangement, friends. Okay, friends. Okay, friends, our next problem is, what is 107th word? What is 107th word? And the word is person. P-E-R-S-O-N, person. So first thing we have to do is have to write them in the alphabetical order. E, the smallest one. Next N, O, P, R, S. So these are the letters written in alphabetical order. We want 107th word. Friends, as in the previous problem, if we begin with E, if we begin with the smallest letter E, the remaining 5 blanks can be filled in 5 different letters, 5 factorial ways. That becomes 120. So we want only 107. We want only 107. So we can't we can't pass all the words which begin with E. So we have to take two letters. What is the next letter? En. So how many words will be there beginning with En? There will be 4 letters. 4 factorial, that is equal to 24. In the same way, EO, again 4 factorial, that is 24. EP, again 4 factorial, 24 ways. Next, NOPR, again 4 factorial, 24 ways. Now the total comes to 96. Next term is ES term. See friends, if we take ES, again 4 blanks, 4 factorial, that becomes 120. 5 and 24 is 120. So we want only 107th word. So we have to take the third letter also. So ES, the first smallest letter is N. How many letters are there beginning with ESN? ESN 3 factorial, that is equal to 6. After ESN, we can't take ESO. If we take ESO, again we get another 3 factorial, 6. 96 plus 6, 102 plus 6, it becomes 108. But we want only 107th word. We want only 107th word. So here we have to consider the fourth letter also. ESO, P. ESO, N. ESO. Next small letter is N. ESON. So how many arrangements we get? 2 factorial, 2. 96 plus 6, 102 plus 2, 104. ESO. After N, what is the next bigger letter? P. So again you will have 2 factorial, that is equal to 2. Here becomes 106. 96 plus 6, 106. After ESOP, after P, what is the next letter? ESOR. So the next 2 letters, what are the remaining 2 letters? ESOR, the remaining 2 letters are NP. So NP is one arrangement and PN is one arrangement. So we want only 107th. So ESOR NP is the 107th. ESOR NP is the next arrangement. Okay friends, like this we have to solve the problems. And last problem we have to see. Let us see one more problem. What is the 50th word? In Paris? For the letters of the word Paris are permuted in all possible ways and arrange them in the dictionary order. What will be the 50th word? So first thing we have to make them in a alphabetical order. A, I, P, or yes. So first, starting with A, if we put A in the first place, the remaining 4 blanks can be filled by these 4 letters in 4 factorial ways, that is 24. Next, starting with I, again you have 4 factorial, 24, so 48. Next whose turn is now? Next P has to come in the first place. P. So we want only the 50th word. So another 2 words. So PA we have to take, and PA I also we have to take, because if we take only PA, the remaining 3 blanks can be filled in 3 factorial 6 ways. 48 plus 6, it becomes 54. It exceeds 50. So we have to take the third letter also in the ascending order, dictionary order. PA, next I we have to take. So the remaining 2 blanks. After PAI, the remaining 2 blanks, RS is 1, and PAI, SR is another one. So this is 49th word. This is 50th word. PAI SR is the 50th word. Like this you have to solve, friends. You work some more examples at your home, and if you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will clarify. Okay, friends, have a nice day. Okay, friends, let us see 2 more problems in finding the word with a given rank. Okay, friends, here is the next problem. What is the 46th word? If the letters of the word Dinya are permuted and arranged in dictionary order, what will be the 46th word? So first you have to write the given letters in the alphabetical order, that is A, D, I, N. So we want 46th word. See, let us begin with A. So if the first letter is A, the remaining 4 letters can be filled in 4 factorial by, here 2 similar letters are there, by 2 factorial. So 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is equal to 24 by 2, 12 ways. And then D, starting with D, how many will have? Starting with D is placed in the first place, the remaining A, I, N. These 4 letters can be filled in 4 factorial by 2 i's are there, by 2 factorial, that is equal to again 12 ways. The next letter is I. If we place I in the first place, then if I is placed in the first place, we have A, D, I, N, four different letters. Four different letters can be permuted in 4 factorial 24 ways. 24 plus 24, it becomes 48, which exceeds our number 46. So we have to take the second letter also. We have to take the second letter also. After I, what is the first one? IA. How many words are there which begin with IA? IA, the remaining 3 blanks can be filled by 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial, that is equal to 6. After IA, we have to take ID. After A, you have to take D. So the words begin with ID is again 3 factorial, that is equal to 6. After D, we have to take I. We have to take I in the second place. Again we get 3 factorial, that is equal to 6 ways. That is equal to 6. So 12 plus 12, 24, 30, 36 plus 6, 42 over. 42 over. So after I, the next letter is IN. The next letter is IN. If we take IN in the first 2 places, we will get again 3 factorial, 6. 42 plus 6 becomes 48, which exceeds our number. So we have to take the next letter also. After IN, what is the small letter? A. INA. If INA are taken in the first 3 places, the remaining 2 places can be filled in 2 factorial, that is 2. After A, we have to take D. So after taking D, IND. So the remaining 2 letters are AI. So AI is one arrangement and IND, IA is another arrangement. So 42 plus 2, 44. This is 45. And this is 46. So the 46th word is India. 46th word is India, friends. Okay, friends, clear. So this is so try to understand carefully, and let us do one more example. With that, we can stop this concept. And what is 97th word? What is 97th word? In the word chinko. We want 97th word. If all the letters of the word chinko are arranged or permuted and arranged in a dictionary order, what will be the 97th word? So first you have to make them in alphabetical order. C, next H, I, N, O. This is the alphabetical order. We want 97th word. So if we place C in the first place, the remaining 5 letters can be filled in 5 factorial, that is 120 ways. So we have to take the second letter also. We have to take, because we want 97th word. We want 97th word. Okay, friends. So the next letter is C. Next letter is C. So the number of words begin with CC. The number of words begin with CC are 4 factorial. That is 24. And the number of letters begin with CH is again 4 factorial. That is equal to 24. And after that CI again 4 factorial, that is 24. And CHIN again 4 factorial, 24. So 96 words are over. 96 words. Next turn is after N we'll get O. And the next word 96 over. We want 97th word. So the next letter, the next word will be CO or over. The next smaller letter is C. The next bigger H. Next bigger I. Next bigger N. So Cochin is the 97th word. Cochin is the 97th word. Okay, friends. So this is how to solve this type of problems. Okay, friends. Have a nice day. Please go through the videos. And if at all you come across with any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask me. Please share these videos among your friends also, so that the maximum people will be benefited out of this small effort. So ఈ చిన్న ప్రయత్నంలో ఎక్కువ మంది బెనిఫిట్ అయ్యేటట్టుగా చూద్దాం. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.